Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream Utah. On this walkthrough Wednesday, I'm going to give you a tour of this 2022 Atlas. Join me. Here are the specs for this 2022 Atlas. It's on a Mercedes 3500 chassis with a 3.0 liter V6 turbo diesel. Gives you 188 horsepower at 325 pounds of torque. It's a 7-speed automatic transmission with a 3.92 axle ratio. The wheelbase is 170 inches and it gets about 16 to 18 miles per gallon estimated on the highway. This rig has an 11,030 pound gross vehicle weight rating, 15,250 pound gross carrying weight rating. It has a Mercedes-Benz pre-wired tow package in it, which gives you an option of 5,000 pound towing capacity. The overall length of this rig is 24 feet 9 inches. It's 10 feet 6 inches tall. It's 7 feet 11 inches wide with the slide in. Inside here it's 6 feet 6 inches tall and 7 feet 4.5 inches wide. Your tank capacities are 20, 31, and 27, fresh gray black. It will hold 24.5 gallons of diesel fuel. The air conditioning up here is a 15,000 BTU air conditioner with a heat pump. It has a 16,000 BTU furnace. It has a 60,000 BTU on-demand water heater. It has heated tanks. It's a 9.1 cubic foot refrigerator freezer combo. This model comes equipped with a 1,000 watt inverter. The motor coach itself has two 100 amp hour lithium battle-borne batteries. It's a 30 amp service. Shore power 30 amp. This rig also comes equipped with 400 watts of solar on the roof. 100 of that are dedicated to the chassis battery and the rest of it is dedicated to the house battery. The Airstream warranty on this model is 3 years and 36,000 miles. The Mercedes-Benz warranty is 3 years, 36,000 miles. The Mercedes-Benz engine warranty is 5 years, 100,000 miles. The unit base weight is 10,090 pounds and you have a 940 pound cargo carrying capacity. All right, let's go check the rig out. Starting up in the front end, you can see already that I've got the seat partially swiveled, but the Mercedes comfortable seats are awesome. I love the navigation screen that comes with the Mercedes. This backup camera here, it's really a rearview mirror. And when you put your turn signal on, it changes to that camera over there so you can see out that side. Only you also have your mirrors and a spot mirror and your wonderful camera system here. So very, very handy. Syncing this to your phone is easy. All the touchscreen ideas here are really nice. Plenty of cup holders up here. And again, very, very comfortable seats. Driving this big model, sitting up here in this driver's seat, you do not feel like you're driving something as big as you are. It's nimble, it handles very well, and very comfortable to sit up here. When you are stopped and camping, both these chairs turn all the way around to make captain's chairs to enjoy the lounging space that you have back here. You have a table right here. I'll show you momentarily. You have space for a table back there beside your couch. And it's just a generally very comfortable area to hang out in. You have your house radio up here. You have your car stereo up here. Got rid of lighting functions here. Place for your sunglasses. And then you have up above here, you have a storage space. Your big sun visor up here. That's on both sides. You have plenty of storage space up here for maps and whatever else you may need to carry with you, easily accessible. Up here in the front of the rig, you can see already that both captain's chairs are turned around. You have this nice table here. You have a little bit of storage over there. You have sliding glass storage here with the HDMI plugs and cable plugs. So should you want to put anything up here to watch TV with, i.e. Apple TV, Roku stick, or one of those type things, or a DVD player, or if you still have VCR. It has a radio speaker up here. And then all your controls for this rig are built into this smart system here. And it's really fantastic. I control all of my lights from here. I can see my tanks. I can see my tank heater. I turn my water pump on. I turn my generator on. All the lights, all the shades, everything in this model basically that you need to control with a switch or a button. It all happens right here. And you have this same type of panel over here, and you also have one in the back by the galley. Up here behind your passenger seat at the top, this is the brains of the organization. And down below inside this panel here is your inverter and a number of other electrical components. But up here is where your power control system is, your sea level gauge, your generator control, your inverter control, your tank heaters, your solar control, your stabilizing system, and your slide out button. So to do everything is either here or in here. Here in your main cabin door, you have your shade, and you can hook it up at the top, or you can slide it all the way to the bottom and bring it down partially like that. This door also has a screen door, so when the main cabin door is open, you can close the screen door, keep all the bugs out. Right here beside your main cabin door is this nice window here. The shade automatically comes down or up, and you can open these windows here manually to let a little breeze in should you choose. TV system here pops right up. And it has its own sound bar here to give you theater sound system inside this rig while you're sitting here across adjacent on the couch. Sitting here on the recliner couch, I have the option to put my feet out. So I can sit here and really enjoy the space. Have a table here. You can swap these tables between each other. This one is the bottom of the table is offset, so it'll come back some more. But you do have this middle part here that you can set things on, or you can raise it up and have a third person sitting here. But only the ends have the recliner foot function. Let's check out the Murphy bed. First thing with the Murphy bed is you got to remove the table top, table legs. Now we remove our arm cushions. Now you extend your couch. You could actually sleep just here, or drop your bed down. And space right here, so you have a very nice, very large bed. Each side of the bed has its own reading light. Have a little cubby space here for cell phones and whatnot. This is the day shade you currently see, but there is a night shade version of this too. You can control that here. And those windows will open also. Putting this back up is very easy. It doesn't require much effort. Put your couch back up. This couch is also equipped with seat belts should you have passengers with you. With the slide out like it is now, you can see how much floor space I have here, which is quite a bit. I'm going to bring the slide in now so you can see what that looks like. You can control the slide from this control panel or with a button over here. Now you see with the slide in how much less room you have in here, but it's still very functional. You can still put the couch down and you can still lay the Murphy bed all the way down, even with the slide in. If you do that, you would not be able to walk around the edge of the bed here because it would be almost against the TV counter here. Right here above your main cabin area is your skylight. This skylight opens up to allow air to flow in or out. You have two different types of shades here that you can use, or you can use no shade. Really wonderful addition to this model. A couple of things people probably don't realize about it is you get a set of linen, some very nice pillows, Airstream branded towels, a comforter, small couch pillows, and very large bed pillows. It also comes with storage bins for your tabletops, table legs, and all those type of things. Over here in the galley area, it's actually a very nice space to be a driving model. You have your window here, which is a night shade and a day shade, or no shade. You can open up the window. Here's your sink. It has a pull-out faucet, a sink cover. Trash can is back here. And then down here you have your 2-burner cooktop, which is really nice. You have a pull-out drawer here for maybe a washing sponge or something like that. You have a drawer here. And an open pantry right here. Pretty nice cabinetry space there. Here is a extra pull-out counter space if you need to set something here while you're cooking. Then you have a minor drawers over here for your silverware, whatever else you need to put here. And then you have a third one down at the bottom. Directly across from your galley area is your refrigerator. So you have this 9.1 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer, and your contour convection oven microwave. This thing is an air fryer, a grill, a microwave, a convection oven, and a food dehydrator. Does all the things. Also right here beside that you have a pull-out pantry with adjustable shelves, and you have a small pantry up here. Let's go see the laboratory. Welcome to the laboratory. Here you have your wardrobe, and this very large closet here is cedar lined in the back. It has an adjustable shelf. It has a clothing rack hanging, and then down below it you have a series of drawers here, and then back here you have an additional closet with 2 shelves that are both adjustable as well. Adjacent to your closet here is a mirror and a medicine cabinet here with plenty of storage. Nice sink here with a very good faucet, and down below you have a couple of storage spots down there as well. Here beside the mirror is a water heater controller and another smart control panel for all of your lights and other things in this model. One very impressive aspect about this model is this giant shower. So these doors open up here. You have a wonderful Kohler faucet, nice backed wood back here with plenty of space to get in the shower and move around. So me standing in here, I'm 5'9", I have plenty of space over my head. I can put my arms up, and with the doors closed, I can spin around. It doesn't feel cramped at all. Beside your shower is your toilet, a towel rack, and a storage space up above. And you also have the fantastic fan in the bathroom to alleviate any moisture in here while you're showering. Standing here on the curbside, or your patio area I like to call it, you have a really nice awning up here that's backlit. You can see the reflection in the windows there. Your main cabin door here, when you open it, your steps drop out. You have a storage compartment here. Storage compartment here. This is actually under your back closet. Your propane access here. And then this one is your onboard generator. Over here on the roadside, you see your slide out over here, which has a topper on it. Back here is your access to your power, water, sewer. Everything is back here in that panel. And then underneath your slide, you have a very nice storage space. Up front here, you have a nice little step here that you can step on in order to access and clean your window should you need to. Your diesel exhaust fluid is over here. Radiator antifreeze, oil level, and windshield washer fluid and brake fluid are all very easy to get to in this very clean area up here in this Mercedes chassis. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough Wednesday of this 2022 Interstate Atlas. If you have any questions about this model, please give us a call, send us an email, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to show it to you in person. Have a great day, everyone. Happy adventures.